with a straw. See how the hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one Kokum mocktail. Mocktail name is Kokum Coconut Fizz. How to make Kokum Coconut Fizz? First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to add some ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to squeeze one lemon. Fresh lemon you have to use for this mocktail. After that, you have to add 62 ml of coconut water. Then you have to add like 30 ml of kokum and coconut crush, and you have to add 120 ml of cranberry juice. Very simple mocktail you can try. Okay. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Shake well. Then you have to take any type of fancy glass and pour all the ingredients. See how the fancy color came. After that, simply you have to fill the glass with Apple Fizz. Yes. So your fancy mocktail is ready. Then you have to garnish with like apple or serve with on stirrers, and you can just decorate the mocktail so that it will look good. See how that fancy mocktail is ready. You can decorate and you can serve with straw also. Okay, you can, if you want to serve, you can serve with a straw. See how the fancy color mocktail is ready. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.